Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss a mock question for the UPSC Civil Services personality test, that is interview. The question is, do you think Pakistan is an enemy for India? What steps can we take to resolve the problems between Pakistan and India? So this question is asked by the UPSC interview board. Now you will have to answer this question. UPSC often they will ask these types of questions regarding international relations and our relationship with our neighbors. UPSC specifically expects candidates to develop natural zeal, natural interest towards the happenings and events around the world. Okay, so definitely they will check your personality regarding this, how you are thinking, what are your views regarding these issues and developments, especially with regard to our neighbors, right? So we can expect questions from the UPSC interview board. And candidates who have IFS, Indian Foreign Service, as their first preference, you should be even more careful. Definitely you can expect questions from international relations. So they are seeing you as a future career diplomat. So definitely they will check your personality, your thinking when it comes to international relations, your perspective with regard to our relationship with our neighbors like Pakistan, China and so on. So now this question, is Pakistan an enemy? Many students, many candidates, they will reply in an emotional manner, in a naive manner that is out of sync with reality. You should not answer like this. You have already written prelims, mains. You are expected to think in a broad manner. They will check your mental caliber in the examination. Your answer should be rational, scientific. They should reflect the reality. You should show your leadership. You should show your positive thinking, your constructive thinking. You should try to give solutions only. So your answer should reflect all these values, right? Now, what many students will reply is that definitely Pakistan is our enemy, sir. Pakistan is our enemy, madam. They have occupied Kashmir. All the people in Pakistan, okay, they are against India. Their interests are against India, okay. So definitely we should keep a distance. They are dangerous people. So some candidates, in fact many candidates, they will answer in this manner. So if you ask if this is the right answer, definitely this is not the right answer. India's foreign policy, please take a look at the foreign policy. So you might have already written the mains examination when you go to the interview. So with your existing knowledge, using your common sense, you can think. Our foreign policy clearly states about non-violence. No country is an enemy of India. That includes Pakistan, China and all other countries of the world. Only some countries, they are looking at India as an enemy. This is the unfortunate reality. So we are not looking at any other country as our enemy. In fact, Pakistan, China, they are our important neighbors. We should try to develop good relationship with them. We are not looking at them as enemies. So you should understand this. Especially when it comes to Pakistan. The people of Pakistan, they are not our enemies. They are our neighbors. Okay, in the past, in fact, they were a part of India only. Unfortunately, the country separated from India due to many reasons. So this is the reality. So this is what you should speak in the interview. No country is an enemy of India. So definitely go ahead and say, Pakistan is our neighbor. They are not an enemy. We are not looking at Pakistan as an enemy. Right? Now, what steps can we take to resolve the issues with Pakistan? Generally what many students will once again tell here, they will always speak about the border problem only, Kashmir problem. Okay, militants, extremists, they are being encouraged by the Pakistan army establishment, ISI into India. Okay, we all know about this. In the interview they are trying to check your personality only. As a leader, as a future diplomat or a future civil servant, what steps you will think. So for checking that, they are asking this question. So answer in the right spirit, okay. So answer in a constructive manner. What measures you will take? The army will take care of the border situation, okay. We need not worry about that. We will definitely strengthen our military. We have to take care of our defense, okay. So there is no second thoughts regarding strengthening our security or military or defense. Now in a constructive manner, what steps can you take? Right? So this is how you should answer in the examination. Take look at the positive aspects also. Under any relationship, don't look at the negative aspects alone. take a look at the positive aspects also. Especially this applies towards our relationship within China as well as Pakistan, right? When it comes to Pakistan, take a look at the positive aspects. People to people relationship, cultural relationship, sports like cricket, cinema. Take a look at all these aspects. We should try to maintain good relationship with the civil society in Pakistan. This is very crucial. A good number of civil society groups in Pakistan want to have good relationship with India. Unfortunately, the establishment is not allowing them to do so. You speak about these aspects. This is how we have to resolve the issues, right? We should try to isolate Pakistan's establishment's nefarious plans on the international stage, right? We should expose them. At the same time, we should try to engage in a positive manner. Speak about trade, economy. There is scope for trade with Pakistan. Why not do that? Speak about all these aspects, okay? You should be very strong in your views here. You should have the conviction to talk your mind. So only if you have the basic knowledge, the foundation knowledge, right, and the courage to stand by your views, only then you can come up with good answers, right? So right from start you should develop the personality, right? If your personality is good, right, you will automatically take the right stand in the interview. Don't worry at all. Even if interview boards try to check you in turn, don't worry. Let's say the board is asking you again. You are asking India to maintain good relationship with that country, but they are attacking us. They are sending militants into India. They attacked Mumbai way back using the bomb blast. Now how can you say we can develop relationship with this? Okay? Once again, be firm in your view. Once again, emphasis, stress on the same thing. Sir, ma'am, the people of Pakistan, they are not our enemies. Ajmal Kasab, he was our enemy. The Pakistani establishment, they are having nefarious plans against India. This is what I meant to explain. Otherwise, definitely we are neighbors. We should try to develop good relationship with respect to culture, trade, and so on, sports and so on, right? We can't keep fighting. It's in the best interest of both the countries to develop a good amicable interest. This is how you should answer. Stay firm in your view, right? So, if you have a proper personality, definitely your stand will be correct only. You can courageously stand with your view. You need not worry in the interview board. Definitely the chairman will award you very good marks. Thank you.